Struggling to achieve those perfect curls without spending hours in front of the mirror? Here are the 5 best automatic hair curlers I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. The Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves Curling Wand in metallic gray. Priced at $47.97, this tool caught my eye with its promise of quick and easy styling. If you want beautiful beach waves without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This curling wand features a one-click auto rotation that makes styling super simple, so even if you're a beginner, you can have gorgeous curls in just 10 minutes. With its 1-inch barrel, it's perfect for creating those soft, natural waves that are all the rage. And here's why this matters for you. If you've spent too much time fighting with a traditional curler, this will make your mornings way easier. It also has a cool-to-the-touch 360-degree anti-scald design, meaning you can style your hair without the fear of burning yourself or tangling your hair up. With 500 million negative ions, it locks in moisture and gives your hair that shiny, frizz-free look that lasts. I mean, who wouldn't want curls that last up to 72 hours? Now, some people complained about the barrel size being a bit too small for thicker hair, which might make it challenging to get a full head of curls. Here's the thing though, if you don't have super thick hair, you'll probably find this works just fine. It's a solid choice if you're looking for something affordable that delivers. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an easy way to curl your hair without all the fuss. But skip this one if you have really thick hair and need something with a larger barrel for better results. For the price, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. Now, if the size of the barrel bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger size.
Product number 2. Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves Wand in pink. We have the Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves Curling Wand in a vibrant pink. At $47.99, it's almost identical to the gray version, but with a fun twist. If you want to add a pop of color to your styling routine, this is worth checking out. Just like its gray counterpart, this wand features that one-click auto rotation, making it incredibly user-friendly. The 1-inch barrel creates those soft beach waves effortlessly, and in just 10 minutes, you're done. Imagine cutting down your styling time while still looking fabulous. The anti-scald technology is also a huge plus, ensuring you don't burn yourself while trying to get that perfect curl. With the same powerful 500 million negative ions, your hair will not only look shiny, but will also feel healthier due to reduced moisture loss. This detail is crucial because we all know how damaging heat styling can be, and this curler helps to mitigate that damage. Some users mentioned that the curls didn't hold as well in high humidity. That might be true for some hair types, but for most, you'll find that a good hairspray can easily solve that issue, so it's not a deal breaker for sure. This is perfect for you if you love a stylish tool that's both functional and fun. But skip this if you often style in humid conditions and need something that guarantees hold without extra products. For the price, it's an attractive option. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with longer hair. Product number 3. Tymo Curl Pro Plus Automatic Rotating Curling Iron in gold, priced at $79.99. This one grabbed my attention because it's designed specifically for longer hair. If you're looking for an easy way to manage those long locks, this is definitely worth a serious look. The Curl Pro Plus features a longer barrel that's perfect for thick or long hair, allowing you to create smooth, consistent curls from shoulder length to waist length. This means no more awkward angles or missed sections. Plus, it has dual heaters that speed up the curling process. No one wants to waste time in the morning when you're in the rush. What's really cool is the built-in timer that signals when your curl is ready. This feature takes the guesswork out of curling and is especially great for beginners. You'll get bouncy curls that last up to 72 hours, which is a must if you want to look put together all day. However, some users noted that it can take a bit of getting used to, especially if you're accustomed to traditional curlers. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the results are worth it. It's designed for efficiency, and that's what you'll ultimately appreciate.
This is perfect for you if you have long or thick hair and need a tool that caters to your styling needs, but skip this if you prefer a more traditional curling method. Overall, it's a smart investment if you want something tailored for longer hair. Now, if you're looking for even more features, the next product might just have what you need. Product number 4, Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves Wand Gray 1.25 inch. Let's check out another option from Tymo, the Curl Pro Beach Waves Curling Wand, but this time in a larger 1.25 inch size, also in metallic gray and priced at $47.99. If you want a tool that can create looser, more voluminous curls, this one's worth considering. This curling wand also features that one-click auto rotation, which means it's just as easy to use as the previous models. The larger barrel size is perfect for those who want to create softer waves and beachy looks without spending too much time on styling. You can achieve those beautiful curls in just 10 minutes, which is a huge time saver. With the same anti-scald design and 500 million negative ions, your hair will stay healthy and shiny. This detail is particularly important because who wants to damage their hair while trying to look good? The curls can last up to 72 hours, so you don't have to worry about them falling flat too soon. However, some users mentioned that the larger barrel may not work well for tighter curls. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for more volume or loose waves, this becomes a non-issue. It's really about knowing what you want from your curling tool. This is perfect for you if you enjoy creating softer, bouncy waves without the fuss. But skip this if you prefer tighter, more defined curls. It's a solid value for the price, especially for those who want to play with their styling options. Now, if you're still on the hunt for the ultimate curling experience, the last product might just be the best fit for you. Product number 5, Tymo Curl Pro Plus Gold 1.25 inch. We have the Tymo Curl Pro Plus in a 1.25 inch barrel size, also in gold and priced at $89.99. This one is for those who want the best of both worlds, a larger barrel and upgraded features. If you're looking for a high-performance curler that delivers, this is definitely one to consider. This curling iron combines the best features of the previous models, but is designed to cater to long or thick hair specifically. It has the long barrel, dual heaters, and built-in timer, which means you can achieve salon-quality curls quickly and efficiently. Plus, it adapts to any hair type, ensuring beautiful results whether your hair is thick or fine. The anti-scald technology and 600 million negative ions mean your hair stays safe while styling and shines beautifully. You can expect those bouncy curls to last up to 72 hours, so it's perfect for a night out or a busy day at work. One downside is that the higher price point might be a bit steep if you're on a budget. But if you style your hair often, the investment can really pay off in time saved and quality results. This is perfect for you if you often style your long hair and want a tool that can keep up. But skip this if you're looking for something budget-friendly and don't mind spending more time curling. It's an investment, but for the quality, it's well worth it. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic automatic hair curlers, from the affordable Tymo Curl Pro Beach Waves wand to the premium Tymo Curl Pro Plus. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Tymo Curl Pro Plus for its versatility and performance, especially if you have long hair. Avoid the standard gray Curl Pro if you want tighter curls. It might not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.